Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to wish each one of you who's watching this video a very happy new year. And I really pray that all your wish and dreams come true. Under this pandemic cloud, we are just not getting how swiftly these couple of years have gone by. But as we always wish for a better tomorrow. And I really hope this year we are going to celebrate COVID-free times too. So now let's talk about what we are going to do in today's video. Many times on this channel I have been asked that how do I keep my living space so neat and clean whenever you watch my videos. So I decided why not to start 2022's first video with one of the most requested ones on my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share my living space cleaning routine with you all. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video now.
Before I start my cleaning routine, I wanted to share that there are some days when I don't like to follow anything related to cleaning any space of my home. But it happens once in a while. I never believe in cleaning the homes every alternate day or once a week. Daily cleaning is something which always keeps me on my toes and ready, especially for those days when I don't feel like cleaning at all. I always spare like good 10 to 15 minutes before sweeping to clean all the rooms like bedroom, dining space, but today I'm only going to talk about the living space. So in here I like to clean the tabletop, TV unit, but not always. I remove the artifacts and clean under them. For daily cleaning, I just take a wet microfiber cloth, or you can also use DIY all-purpose cleaner. Either spray the solution on the surface or spray it directly on the clothes to clean down all the top surfaces of your living space. The recipe of DIY cleaner is mentioned in the description box if in case you wanted to check. All I'm trying to say is that we do follow a deep cleaning routine once in a while. But it's important to set aside 10 to 15 minutes every day to follow a sub-routine, which can still keep the area relatively clean. By doing so, we can think of liberty to take days off when you just don't want to clean anything. But we still ensure that the area is clean. This is my daily ritual, which you can get away with if you don't feel like doing it once in a while. Apart from cleaning the surfaces, I also make sure that I'm arranging the living room by keeping the cushions back to their places. That's my simple and everyday cleaning routine. I spend 5 minutes here, which keeps it clean. I have also heard from you guys also about keeping living space clean and lack of time in putting efforts into it. But believe me, this is simply these few minutes which make a whole lot of difference. Bi-weekly, I take a little pain to do certain tasks, like giving my indoor plants a trip to balcony for a sun bath, and in turn, I get a chance to clean the area under them. Just to ease out this task, it's not necessary to take all the plants in one go to the balcony. Just do it according to your convenience. Clean the leaves of the plant with a microfiber cloth or a microfiber duster like this, or simply keep them under the shower. When I clean my living area alternate weeks, I also try to take help of store-bought cleaners to have a better and clean home. But at the same time, I ensure that I only get eco-friendly, natural and no chemical products. So let me introduce you to one such product which I have recently added to my cleaning caddy, is this Blueoxy wood furniture polish. This is one awesome product which instantly gives a lot of shine to all the furniture pieces when you clean with it. Now the differentiating part is that I clean one wall at a time. Now let's start from here. First, I will remove all the paintings from the walls, all the decor pieces which are kept on the shelf, all the things which are on the TV unit top. I will remove the wing chair and all the magazines from here. Now since I have removed everything, I can only focus on cleaning without worrying about the decor pieces. As I said earlier, I mostly maintain a daily cleaning routine, and here you can see there is not much of dust. So first I will clean the walls with a duster to get rid of any dust particles which accumulated over the time. Now it's time to clean the TV unit. For this I will take an all-purpose cleaner. Spray it on the surface and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. Now from last 2 months on weekly basis, I have started using this product which is from Blueoxy wood furniture polish to clean all the wooden surfaces I have in my living space. It's very easy to use this product. You just need to spray it directly onto the wooden surface and then take a dry microfiber cloth and wipe it off. It effectively cleans and restores the shine of your furniture. It's all natural, and a blend of all natural oils not only cleans your furniture but also conditions and protects all type of wood. Even the laminated surfaces like these which we mostly have nowadays as a part of our urban lifestyle. You can use it on the wooden furniture, cabinets, wooden panels, and also the laminated furniture pieces like these. You can directly spray the solution onto the wooden surface and wait for few seconds, and then with the help of a clean cloth just wipe it off. This will instantly give shine to all the furniture pieces you have in your home. With this wood furniture polish, I like to clean my wooden floor lamp also. I just like to spray a little bit of it on a cloth and then I clean the wooden lamp. Now look at it, the way it gives shine immediately. And after a minute or so, the oil is completely absorbed by the wood. And those of you who might be thinking that it will be sticky, it will not once it's completely dry. In the same way, for all the wooden decor pieces, I take this wood polish and spray it on the cloth and then I clean it. And here you can see the kind of shine it gives immediately. Now we can clean rest of the decor pieces, and to clean them, I spray this all-purpose cleaner on a microfiber cloth to clean the decor stuff. And for all the decor pieces like these, I take the help of a paintbrush to clean the intricate areas. Coming to the point again, cleaning one wall at a time really helps. It hardly takes like 10 minutes on each wall to clean full living space. It's just about 2 days in a month to clean the living space. And when we clean it and follow the routine, I must say, no matter how much decor stuff you have, you will always have a clean room, and I know clean space always inspires lot of fresh thoughts, which helps in daily productivity and that ultimately reflects in your work. You can spend a quality time with your family without worrying about anything. I follow this routine and I never have to be in a rush to clean my living space when I expect some special guests coming over, because I know it's already in a good shape. Now, as part of maintaining a daily and weekly routine, I can totally understand that it's not possible to include the areas like false ceiling or removing the spider nets, cleaning the doors, or even deep cleaning the sofa. All these chores need time as well as attention. I clean them once a month, and that's mostly the last week of the month but not on weekends. Mostly on Fridays I do the deep cleaning. For deep cleaning, I follow a top to bottom approach, and I cannot emphasize more on this, that cleaning should be done from top to bottom. No matter whether you're deep cleaning your room or doing a regular dusting, it should be from top to bottom. The reason is very simple. When you clean a room from top to bottom, you work with gravity instead of against it. You start with top surfaces first and allow the dust to settle on the bottom surface. So just keep on going from top to bottom. So following this pattern, I start by cleaning the false ceiling. I use this cleaning brush which can nicely bend to an angle, and it makes the cleaning job easy. I clean the cobes, light fixtures on the ceiling as well as on the walls, fans, and at last the walls. After cleaning the walls, I simply follow my weekly cleaning routine, which includes cleaning one wall at a time with all the things it has there. Once a month, when I deep clean, I use my vacuum cleaner as well to clean the areas behind the sofa, the area under the carpet, and all the hard to reach corners like these. Once I properly clean the floor, I keep the sofa back to its place. And here, as you can see, I have cleaned the area which was behind the sofa, the corners. I nicely clean all the wall hangings and kept them back to their places. So now let's have a look at this wall. We have nicely cleaned the wall, chair, decor pieces, plants, and everything. We have also taken care of this wall, all the decor pieces it has there. Now it's time that we should vacuum clean the sofa to suck all the unwanted things which somehow over the time get stuck in the folds. Vacuum cleaners suck all the dust particles from the armrest, backrest, and from the sitting cushions. This gives sofa a new look and also saves a lot of money for hiring the sofa dry cleaning services from outside. Now is the time that we should nicely clean all the doors and windows. For this, I just simply spray the glass cleaners, or you can also use an all-purpose cleaner. Spray it and wait for few seconds and start scrubbing it all over. I use this brush which has a wiper and the scrubbing pad to clean the glass doors and windows. You can also use newspapers to clean glass doors from in and out. And don't forget to clean the aluminium frame of the glass doors and windows. Don't forget to clean the curtains. If the curtains are very dirty, just get them dry cleaned from outside or just simply machine wash them. I hung these fresh curtains on Diwali only and it just been a month. So these curtains are not that dirty, so I thought this time I'm just simply going to vacuum clean them. Now that we have taken care of everything we have in the living space, we have nicely cleaned all the walls, decor pieces, floor, sofa. Now is the time that we should clean the carpet, and at last I'll clean the coffee table. Once the cleaning is done nicely, just change the cushion covers. Hang the clean curtains back to the rod. Arrange your living room in a way you like it. Sometimes a few simple deviations from how it was earlier can bring freshness to the overall look of the living room. Clean room with a bit of change can bring joy and always gives the positive energy to do your daily productive work. Now, you might be wondering why I used store-bought products, not DIY cleaners, which could also be a choice. I still use them, but I feel there's nothing wrong in trying good homegrown products which are trying to do the same and working with the same purpose. It's good sometimes just to motivate them. This is all for today's video. And if I was able to motivate you a little bit in maintaining a routine to clean your living space, then don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with all your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care, and bye bye.